Hey guys, we created some already done templates and lead magnets to capture leads in businesses and network marketing for credit repair, essential oil and cleaning products, health and wellness, and home business opportunity. I'm going to go ahead and show you exactly what that means in my system and show you my screen so you can see how these already done lead magnets are already set up for you not only to share with people, but they have a customizable link where you can share with individuals. You can post on your profiles on social media so that people can opt in, and you build your list and build your amount of leads that you have. So I'm going to go ahead and share my screen and kind of demo that for you guys.
Hey, so if you're in health and wellness, I thought I'd share this cool feature I found for you to generate leads online. Basically, it's an already created lead magnet with a funnel. So you can share with people, build your email list, and start generating leads. So I'm going to show you how it works. So when you go into this program, you copy this link. It's going to have one specifically for you. And then you can share it, or you can put it on your profile, or you can have individuals who maybe they're interested in learning more. You can send it to them. And what happens is, I'm sorry, copy it. You can send it to them. You can put it on your profile, something you can promote. And what happens is they then get taken to this page here. It's 10 ways to lose weight without dieting. It's already created for you, so you don't have to worry about creating or hiring anybody to create this. Once they hit yes, give me my report, they put their name, email, and phone number. Now, the cool thing about that information goes to your leads goes to you. And then what they get, just to kind of go back, and I'll show you what they get. They'll be taken to this page after they put their name, email, and phone number. So this is what they'll get. They'll get a downloadable report. Now the other thing too is at the bottom right here, you can actually put your information. I was testing this out. So you can put your name, email, phone number, contact. So once they get to this page, they like the report, they can contact you. So basically, this is an already created lead magnet for those who are in network marketing, who are in health and wellness. You don't have to worry about creating a whole new lead magnet. So that's one for health and wellness. And then I'm going to show you the other one that we have already created. So the next one that we have is for cleaning products. So if you're with essential oil, you work in essential oils, you work with cleaning products, you just click here, copy, and then you would be able to put your link in there. And then what, you like I said, you can put this link on your website, you can put this link on, you can share it with potential individuals, or you can use this as a call to action. And then what happens is, they'll get a preview of what they'll get. 5 common toxic cleaning products to ban from your home. When they hit, get my free guide, they put their name, email, phone number. Again, that information goes to you. And then what they'll get is, once they put their name and email, this is where they'll be sent. And the cool thing is you have the access to the back end of this. They'll be sent to this page here. And then they'll be able to download that free report. Once they download it, they can review it. But the main thing is it gets to build your list, get you some leads, and then obviously your information will be here at the bottom. Some other industries that we have in this, some lead magnets for home business. So if you wanna recruit in your industry, you're in network marketing, and you want a lead magnet for recruiting. Well, this one right here, this is for recruiting. You share this with them. It's a home business report. And what happens is free download, get the sponsoring tickets to pros. Boom. You can share this with, people who want to be in a home-based business and some secrets of running a home-based business. As soon as they enter their name and information, it goes directly to you. You get an alert saying, hey, you got a new lead. So now you're building an email list and you have leads that are coming in. Another one is the newest one we have, credit repair. So if you're in credit repair, you share that link. with your potential, prospects. And it's a way to build rapport, kind of build a relationship with them. 5 simple steps to boost your credit by, 100 to 200 points. You go, yes, give me my report. They put their name and email. It goes to you. And then what they get on the other end is this right here. So what they'll end up getting is the report, and I want to show you what it looks like so that you kind of understand the flow of it. They put their name and information, and then it automatically sends them to this page here. Boom. And then they can download the report. And let me download this so you guys can see what it looks like, so you guys can understand, what your client or your potential prospect is going to get. They get a well done report on your behalf, meaning this is, it looks like you created it, and it's going to add credibility to your business. It's going to make you look like, you know what you're doing. So this is already made credit repair, templates and lead magnets that you have, so you don't have to waste time on creating them, spending a bunch of money on actually creating these things. I mean, it's a tool in your business that you have, that you can use to recruit, that you can use to, sell your product or service, and then obviously build your lead. So hope that was helpful. If you guys have any questions, feel free to reach out to me about this program. I'll drop the link below, so just that you have more information about the program.